Hey, everybody. This is Demia Avery of the Demia Avery Show. So, we got some Diddy updates. You know, I'm going to have to do this in two parts. I'm going to do the first one and then I'm going to upload the second one so that as not to be too long. So, it starts out as, of course, the witness Bana, which is a friend of Cassie's, started testifying again around 11:20 a.m. Combs' lawyer, Nicole Westmoreland, tried to call into question the veracity of the claim that the alleged attack left her bruised by homing in on the date of the photo she took of the bruise on her leg, which was September 26, 2016. Bona Bana, I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, said she believed she took the photo the same day of the incident, but Westmoreland brought up receipts showing that Combs stayed at the Trump International Hotel in Manhattan from September 25th through September 27th. But Bana maintained the incident did occur even if her dates were mixed up. Diddy's lawyer, Nicole Westmoreland, accused a woman who sued the mogul for dangling her off a balcony of only bringing her claim to become a millionaire. Bana sued the Bad Boy Records founder for $10 million for allegedly terrifying manhandling her. That case is still open. Westmoreland asked, "You hope to become a millionaire soon?" And she's asking her that question. And then Bana says, "I care about justice. And justice for you is money. $10 million to be exact," Westmoreland said. So, and Bana says, "No, ma'am," the witness responded. So that's kind of how it went today. They just questioned her, um, basically just saying that she's making it all up just because she wants the money. And there's a case pending out there um because of it. So, it is what it is. But side note, later it was brought up in court that there was a text from Cassie to KK, Christina Coram, about the incident. So Bana seems to have some reprieve here. So it wasn't actually made up. Well, if you believe what's going on in court. If you believe what's going on in court. So it looks like it may have actually happened. She may have had her dates mixed up and things of that sort. And hey, she may have wanted that $10 million, but it doesn't take away the fact that it may have happened. So we'll see how that goes. But there's something else that happened, and Diddy almost got himself in a lot of hot water. So apparently, after the jury was dismissed for lunch, the judge blasted Diddy for looking at the jurors and nodding vigorously during the morning testimony of Bana. And the judge says it could not happen again. The judge warned Combs' lawyer, Mark Agnifilio, that he would consider removing the Bad Boy Records founder from the courtroom if he continued the behavior. So, and then, I heard later on also that he kind of did it again on the slide. That's what CNN is reporting. So you take that for what you will. But, um, you know, I think he might want to stop doing that because, he definitely, even if he's trying, I don't know if he's trying to get the approval of the jurors back there and just what is his intent behind that, saying you know what to do, or thank y'all for being there for me, or is he trying to intimidate? So I guess that's less left up to interpretation, or you have to be there to understand it, but that's what happened today. So next up on the witness stand is a Jane Doe. Now, Jane Doe takes the stand, and people are frantically trying to figure out who she is. I got an idea um, because of how they described her, and we'll get more into that um, into the second part of my video. But of course, I don't know for sure. But I want you guys to be the judge. Um, and tell me what you guys think. So I'll be loading that video coming up within the next 30 minutes to an hour. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.